Quiero una credencial de la biblioteca.
Quiero una credencial de la biblioteca. Hola, me llamo Maggie Maynes, and I am a public service assistant and collection maintenance specialist at the Whatcom County Library System. And I'm here to talk about Mango Languages. It's a great resource at our website where you can learn tons of different languages. I myself am working on a Spanish course that's specifically for libraries. And it talks about how to better communicate with Spanish speakers in our libraries. I am loving it. I'm having a great time. It's really easy to just skip things you already know or go back and practice again. And it's been really wonderful during this time at home to be able to do something that feels productive. So I hope that you will check it out. Adios. Happy learning.